Happy Fonky Friday to you folks. Now for the vibes in full effect, here comes Norfolk Southern. And by the way, it is cold out here. We're on Fonky Friday. Southbound Norfolk Southern Manifest. Fonky Friday on the railroad. Thanks for having us. Big boy box stars right here. All TTX, next old East Road. Yes, sir. We got the funky fix right here on Friday. Posted up here on Miami Mountain Road. West End, Ohio. Kind of jumping down in the vehicle for our rail fans because it is quite cold out here. Derek Tyson Rail Friday Vibe is going beyond the call of duty, so to speak. Give me your medication. Get a phone right here. See that tomorrow. Got a DPU 4557. Once again, this is east end of Chapel Road. Now in that direction over there, is CSX to the west, on West Miami Chapel Road, east southern track. So east part of Miami Chapel Road, CSX on the west. So keep that in mind as you want to jot that down. You are definitely watching the RFD production video. A lot of all of this today. And as always, we'd like to thank the many men and women of the railroad, past and present. Without you, we cannot do this. Like, share, and subscribe. We are definitely out of here. And once again, happy Funky Friday to you from the railroad, from Rail Friday Vibes on YouTube. As the gates descend upward, God bless and peace out. Take care, folks. Much love.